Well, a strong winter storm moving across West Michigan yet again. This time another lake effect snow event. We've already had a few inches of snow on the ground, 2 to 3, pretty common across many areas. And it looks like another inch or two possible. The big problem here is the wind. Look at live Doppler radar. This is our 100-mile scan. And as we zoom in a little bit closer, you can pick out those snow bands from Allegan to Hastings. Now approaching Kalamazoo, running right along I-94 and just to the north of Battle Creek. And as we put this into motion, you can see that west wind pushing these snow bands all the way almost to Detroit. That wind is actually that strong. Tracking this band right now that's moving out of Van Buren County off to the east as it races right along the interstate there. Oshtemo, Kalamazoo coming up in about the next 10 to 15 minutes. Comstock by about 6:45 and just shy of 7 o'clock. It'll be in Galesburg. Let's take a live look right now along I-94 as we monitor the roads here. We are headed eastbound here and just about to approach the Oshtemo exit there. That's exit 72, and it looks like the conditions are okay, but you can see some visibility issues out there as you look in the distance with that blowing snow continuing to be a problem. Well, another view here as we look live over Battle Creek, and again the snow in the air, and that also is causing a little bit of a visibility problem as well, sort of a little bit more difficult to see the lights of the Cereal City. Battle Creek, you're at 17 right now with a west wind at 15. That puts the wind chill at 2. Check out these frigid wind chills. -2 in Three Rivers now, 1 above in Grand Rapids and Ionia, and it feels like 1 above in Kalamazoo and Coldwater, also sub-zero in Fremont and Big Rapids. That's another part of the story, by the way, is these very cold wind chills. They can be as cold as -10 to -15 degrees overnight. Let's go hour by hour. We start off with the snow bands here, and as we work our way forward, stopping the clock at 9 o'clock, notice one constant here. The lake effect snow continues to sort of be scattered about. Not all over West Michigan. There'll be some gaps, but if you're traveling around the area, even overnight, you're going to be encountering some of these snow bands. Some of them could be heavy, and the winds will continue to be strong. Watch as we get into tomorrow morning. Notice that snow starts to go away. That certainly is some good news here. I think tomorrow we'll just see a little bit of light snow, but it does remain cold. Winter weather advisory for most of the area. Our border counties with Indiana not included. That goes through 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. The next 3 days promise to continue to be cold. We'll warm up to about freezing on Saturday, but look at this. More snow moving in heavy by Friday evening. That's going to linger into Saturday morning, and we could see as much as 6 inches of snow out of this. Looking at just the weekend, it's going to stay cold. In fact, Sunday, our temperatures dropping all the way back down into the teens. All right, tonight, here's what we're looking at. Snow, wind, cold, frigid wind chills, a low of 7 with a wind chill of -10 to -15. Snow showers continue tomorrow, and again, very cold. A high of 14 with wind chills all day, close to 0. There's that Friday, Saturday snow, and again, it could be heavy Friday night into Saturday. Our next best chance of seeing much sunshine is going to be next week, about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Join me on Facebook Live tonight at 9 o'clock for an update on the winter weather advisory and the latest on that timing of the next winter storm. We go right from one snowmaker to another, and I'll have the details on that. Facebook Live at 9 o'clock.
We got to keep checking in with you on days like this because that wind and the temperatures and the snow, things change by the minute.
And they pile up.
Fast.
Emails.
That's right.
Snow.
That's right.
Yeah.
They sort of run together.
They do.
Parallel.
That's right.
Thanks, Keith.